Most U.S. companies send employees overseas without any preparation. This has resulted in failed overseas assignments, which means companies don't fully capitalize on business opportunities and incur costs for replacing employees who leave the company after returning to the U.S. Let's take a look at cross-cultural preparation. To prepare employees for cross-cultural assignments, organizations need to provide cross-cultural preparation. Cross-cultural preparation is especially important because North American companies plan to increase the length of expatriate assignments from 2 to 5 years. To succeed overseas, expatriates, employees on foreign assignments, need to be competent in their areas of expertise, able to communicate verbally and non-verbally, sensitive to cultural differences, motivated to succeed, and supported by their families. Expatriates who were extroverted, outgoing, agreeable, cooperative and tolerant, and conscientious, dependable, and achievement oriented were more likely to want to stay with the assignment and perform well. The key to a successful foreign assignment is a combination of training and career management for the employee and their family. Cross-cultural preparation involves 3 phases: pre-departure, on-site, and repatriation, preparing to return home. Before departure, employees need to receive language training and training focused on the new country's culture and customs. Cross-cultural training methods include presentation techniques, e-learning, immersion experiences, or actual experiences in the home country in culturally diverse communities. Hands-on and group-building methods are most effective and most needed in assignments with a high level of cultural and job novelty that require a good deal of interpersonal interaction with host nations. On-site training involves continued orientation to the host country and its customs and cultures through formal programs or through a mentoring relationship. A major reason that employees refuse expatriate assignments is that they can't afford to lose their spouse's income or are concerned that their spouse's career could be derailed by being out of the workforce for a few years. Repatriation prepares expatriates for return to the parent country and home country from the foreign assignment. Expatriates and their families are likely to experience high levels of stress and anxiety when they return because of changes that have occurred since their departure.